Welcome everybody to my channel. I've been crafting for quite a number of years. I was taught to crochet when I was 20, but I kind of haven't been crocheting for quite a long time. And then I picked up my crocheting hook in November and fell in love with crocheting. My channel has been predominantly mixed media based and card making and journaling, but I have since changed my creative direction and joined the yarn community. And from November, my videos are all about my crocheting journey, sharing my journey with you all, as well as tutorials. Come the new year, I'll be undertaking doing some tutorials, especially for the left-handers like myself. There'll be yarn hauls, there'll be giveaways, and I hope you can join me on my new creative journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.